Engineering education is an integral part of world's technological and economical growth. Now, the engineering sectors need best engineers with extraordinary technological skills. Our institution is privileged with well-qualified and most experienced faculty to nurture the students to grow as a productive members of the society.
We at Sri Datta Institute of Engineering and Sciences have evolved a few programs to upgrade the students with innovative technologies through seminars and exhibitions where they can project their ideas through models and through papers.
The strength of the institution lies in its gigantic state-of-the-art laboratories and workshops, which are well equipped with most sophisticated and ultra-modern scientific equipments of international standards. These labs and workshops are aimed at bringing in cutting-edge knowledge of technology from academia into the industry. Such hands-on practical experience makes students more confident and help them to become true technical professionals.
The college is extremely good. The college provides us with extremely well qualified and highly educated faculty who guides us throughout our academic. It is because of their support and guidance that I stood as topper of my batch.
Central Library is the knowledge hub of the institutions with extensive collection of books, reference materials and journals.
We have equipped computers, e-books and high-speed internet in our AC digital library for students to carry out scholastic activities by accessing online journals. A unique feature of the institution is the Language Lab. The speciality of the Language Lab is to improve the interpersonal skills of the students and the fluency in English, shaping them into confident communicators.
I secured the MCET rank of 10,000. When I went to the counselling, I felt to join in a good college. After coming to Sri Datta, I felt my decision is right and my decision is fulfilled by seeing the campus and the encouragement given by the lecturers. I was selected in campus placement before completion of my course.
Every student at Sri Datta institutions is continuously monitored, and our college have tie-ups with various multinational companies to provide career guidance and 100% placement assistance. Today, alumni of Sri Datta are well placed in many reputed companies through campus interviews organized by Training and Placement Cell of the college. Our students got many ranks in entrance tests for higher education. Sri Datta is a breeding ground for various activities and events, encouraging students and faculty to engage themselves in various activities for the overall personality development.
You need to enjoy yourselves, because that is when you discover yourself. You become a total personality in different areas. I think excellent performances from students who are otherwise very bright.
Sri Datta institutions have a ragging-free campus, and the institutions take stringent action on all acts of ragging. To discourage ragging, anti-ragging posters are displayed in the premises of the institution.
All we need a college where there is a good atmosphere, and there must be no ragging. So in this college you can find all the seniors and juniors who are very friendly to each other. All the seniors, they help their juniors in each and everything, in studies, in extracurriculars. I request all the students to opt this college.
To develop your talents, to shape your future, and to make your dreams into reality, you have to be a part of Sri Datta institutions.